Catfish. Look at this.
Oh, I see it.
There you go. Where you
Oh,
going now?
shit. I got another one, Bob.
You don't know where he's going.
Oh, bluegill.
Isn't there? Don't know where he's going. I'm working. I'm going to wear him down.
He's fucking, he's on 3-pound tail.
Look at that pole.
Oh, that little bastard swallowed my hook. Damn.
He ain't even that big, but he's full of eggs.
What's big on a little
Yeah, it is.
ultralight,
Yeah. Oh,
33.
You're doing a death roll on me.
Well, why do you get a catfish and I get a fucking little bluegill? I can get up here closer. Right there where my catfish spot is.
Cutie, isn't he?
Ain't bad. Got good color.
Oh, yeah. Pretty eyes. He got pretty eyes.
Well, one thing about it, Bub, you don't have to worry about your pond going dry because everybody else's pond was dry.
Yeah.
And you still have water. You got an underground stream.
It's supposed to be up here to where we're sitting. No, right here.
Bub, it's summertime. We ain't had rain and I wonder how long it was before all this rain.
It wasn't that low.
What's jumping right there by those sticks?
Bluegill. Oh, that's that bluegill. He's having problems. Oh, there's catfish.
Oh, not again. Oh, no. Damn it.
Another one? Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's been 2 minutes. I've been recording.
Oh, shit. I think I have.
Oh,
And that is why I don't sit there anymore.
Look at him. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, he's about to put a bid on that pump. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Bubby's having a blast. I'm having a blast. I couldn't believe these catfish. I didn't know it'd be like this.
He's going on the death roll again. All right, brother. Okay, come on now. Hey, hey, hey. He's biting me. He's biting me. Oh my God, way down his throat.
Oh, that last one I did, I just got my line on it.
Way down his throat.